Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can change the delivery method on your ticket in the Access or AXS app. So the ticket delivery method are predetermined by the venue and may include options such as standard mail, will call, e-ticket and most popularly Access Mobile ID. Now, requests for delivery method changes can only be made by using the live chat to connect with an agent. So in that case, you could go to your profile and here go to this help and support center page, and over here you'll be able to find a list of information. So accordingly, you have to go to this option that says buying ticket, or you would also go to transfer basic help and all that, but I'm gonna go with buying ticket, and here you could go ahead and tap the question button in order to get in contact with the live agent. So over here you could go ahead and type in the questions such as I want to change my delivery address of my ticket, and when you type in the following information, it's going to take a while in order to get respond to you. So you just have to wait patiently, and according to the answer they provided you, you can go ahead and contact them and state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. You should be able to change the delivery method of your ticket in the Access app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.